Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to install Firefox browser on a Realme 11 Pro. To do this, we'll need to open a Google Play Store and right here find the Firefox. Now install that browser. When it's ready, you'll be able to open this app, and here we can customize it with different theme, pick a toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, change between different privacy protection settings, and read the privacy notice. Lastly, let's click on Start Browsing, open a new website. As you can see, this browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.